Hello friend, today we can discuss about the pressure. So simply what we known as a pressure. Pressure is defined as the force per unit area. What amount of force are acted in a unit area is known as a pressure. Its SI unit is known as Pascal or Newton per meter square. Understand? Because its its SI unit is Pascal, because the scientist proposed about the pressure is named Blaise Pascal. So his surname is known is Newton's the SI unit of Pascal. Understand? And this pressure is known as a force upon area per unit area. It is indicated in a solid form, but liquid pressure have a different formula. We can prove that in most of the exam you have to ask about prove that the liquid pressures, but pressure come then it can the proof from that. Now things pressure is equals to force upon area. Force, simply what is the formula of the force? Force is equals to the mg mass into acceleration due to gravity and upon air. Understand? Now mass of the liquid water, simply density. How can we find the density? What is the formula of density? Density is equals to mass unit volume is the formula of density, and from that cross multiply you can get d into v is equals to m. What is the formula of m is equals to density into volume? So we can written instead of m d into v. Now d into v is into g upon a is understand? And simply now d is equals to the density, v is equals to the volume, g is equal to acceleration due to gravity, and a is equals to area. Now volume d, but volume is equal to what? How can you find the volume? Volume is equal to L into B into H. Volume formula is equal to L into B into H. And now L into B is equal to what? Area, and into H. So simply A into H is equal to what? Volume. So now that V is equal to what we can write in the instead of the B. V is equal to A into H. V is equal to A into H. And now remaining is G upon A. Listen now, area is cancelled out, remaining D, G, H is remain. So simply what we call the pressure. It is the pressure which is being exerted, which can be measured in a liquid. If the any substance in the form of the liquid, then we can find the pressure of that liquid is known as the dgh. मतलब D is equals to the density, D means density, G is equal to acceleration due to gravity, and S means depth of the liquid. Simply what we find? Conclusion is that P is equal to dgh. dgh is the formula of the liquid pressure. Which is directly, what is the relation between the pressure and the dgh? What is the relation? It directly proportions to its directly proportional pressure is liquid pressure is directly proportional to its density, to its acceleration due to gravity, and to its depth. There is a direct relation. If one is increases, then other can be automatically increases. Simply from that, like that, you can also be the observed data. You can also be the observed data. For example, say if one container is taken which is put in the liquid water, simply fill it with water, and now 1 2 3 A B C. There is a map force ABC from which the liquid are being the follow very high speed, from which the liquid can be the out with a very high pressure, from A, B or C, from which simply gravity is equals to all the things for all ABC liquid at the gravity is same 9.10 meter. Density of water is also be the same. It depend upon the now liquid pressure, it depend upon the pH. In that situation it depend on the depth. And the depth, what is the relation between the depth and liquid pressure? It directly relation. Where the more depth there is a more pressure. If the more pressure, then the liquid are in the out from the container is very high speed. So from where? Which depth is more? Is depth is more? No, it is so small, because depth is the liquid inside the liquid. How many depth? Its depth is so low, so it can fall into very low low it can't be the displaced more distance. It are in the out and put fall down in a very near distance, not with the high pressure. Second is more than A. And now third there is a more depth. Depth is it for that. So there is a more depth for that. There is a daily relation with the liquid pressure. So from the sea there is a high pressure created generated, and the water fall from the sea is very high and displace a more distance. Simply we can conclude that thing. I hope you understand about that liquid pressure and the pressures. Thank you for watching.